Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Info Girl, and I'm thrilled to have you join us today because I'm going to dive into a topic that can literally change your financial game. Now, how to get approved for the Citibank loan up to $30,000 with zero fees. I know what you might be thinking. That sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's absolutely possible. Now, today we're going to cover everything from the credit score you need and the various uses for this loan and step by step strategies to boost your chance of getting approved. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. What credit score do you need to qualify for this loan? Now, Citibank generally looks at a credit score of 650 or higher. Now, scores can vary depending on the model used, but a score around 700 or above will give you a much better chance at being approved. Now, knowing your credit score is key. So, if you haven't checked it in a while, now is the time to do that before applying for this loan. Now, if you're sitting here wondering why your credit score matters so much, let's break this down for you. Now, your credit score reflects your credit worthiness. Now, which lenders uses to assess the risk they're taking by loaning you money. Now, a higher credit score indicates that you are responsible borrower, which can lead to better additional benefits, including lower interest rates and more favorable terms. So, if your score is under 650, don't worry, there are plenty of steps that you can take to help you improve your credit score. Now, as I did mention, you can get approved for this personal loan up to $30,000. There is no fees. There is a secure application. And you can use this loan for anything if it has to do with debt, home improvement, major purchases, vacation, or other needs that you have as well. So, whether you got to get your car fixed or something for your house and any of those things that you can definitely be approved for this loan. Now we're going to talk about these fees that come with this personal loan up to $30,000. There is a fixed rate APR on the lower end at 11.49% and on the higher end at 20.49%. Now, this is based on creditworthiness. Your repayment terms is up to 60 months, and there is a 0.5% rate reduction for enrolled in automatic payments. Now, you can also check your rate before actually applying. So that way you can look at all of your terms and your fixed rates before actually deciding whether or not that you want to go through with this loan. Now, here's a quick list of things that you can do to boost your credit score. You can check your credit report for errors. If you spot any inaccuracies, dispute them to have them corrected. Now, this can have an immediate positive impact on your credit score. Another thing that you could do is pay down your outstanding debts, especially credit cards balances, keeping your credit utilization ratio down under 30%. Now, how much credit are you using compared to your total credit limit? Again, you want to make sure ideally you're staying below 30%. And also, you want to make sure that you're making all of your payments on time. So, late payments can severely impact your credit score. So, setting up automatic payments can help you stay on track. Also, avoiding taking out any new debt in the months leading up to your loan application. Now, each new inquiry into your credit can temporarily lower your credit score. Now, there you have that part covered as far as the credit. Now, let's talk about how to actually apply for this loan. First, you'll want to visit Citibank's official site or you can call your local branch. Gather your documents, proof of income, tax returns, and any other relevant financial information. Now, being prepared will make this process a lot smoother. Trust me, making sure that you have all of the things that you need and you are ready to go. Now, here's the kicker with this loan. This loan comes with zero fees, as I did mention. This means no application fees, no uh, repayment penalties. It's a refreshing chance in the leading landscape and allows you to focus on using the money for which truly matters to you and what you truly need to do. Now, speaking of that, what can you actually use this $30,000 loan for? The possibilities are nearly endless. You can use it for whatever you need to use it for. So, as I did mention, home renovations, want to finally upgrade that outdated kitchen or add a new bathroom, this loan can definitely help you turn your dream home into a reality. Now, if you have any high interest debt, this loan can definitely help you pay it off and save you money in the long run. Also, you can use this personal loan for unexpected medical bills, and this loan can ease the financial burden. Also, if you're planning a family vacation or looking to advance your education, this loan can definitely help fund those dreams. In conclusion, getting approved for the Citibank loan for 30,000 with zero fees is definitely within the breach. Now, as long as you prepared and have a good credit score, remember, take the time to improve your credit score if you need to. Have all the necessary documentations ready and keep in mind how this loan can definitely help you or break you. So, depending, and I only say that is because you only want to apply for this loan if you can truly afford to pay this loan back because this loan will report to your credit profile. So, with that being said, if you miss a payment or if you don't make the payment on this loan anymore or, just kind of leave it hanging, it would definitely hurt your credit score. Another thing about this loan is the application process is very simple and straightforward. As I did mention, you can definitely check your rates in minutes. Again, no fees, secure application up to $30,000. Now, you do not have to accept. So let's just say that you are approved for $30,000 and you feel like that's too much and you will not be able to pay that amount back. You can adjust your loan and only see if you are not see, but tell them that you only would like to take a certain percentage out. So you're approved for 30,000. Let's just say that you only need $10,000. That is what you're going to pay back if you are approved for the $30,000 and if you do not use the full $30,000. Now, as you guys can see for the application part, is asking what do you need to use this loan for, which I'm just going to put home improvement. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next personal information. Then after that, it's going to ask you for your first, your last, your social security number, and your date of birth. You're going to go ahead and put that information in as well. Now, once you put that information in, you're going to go ahead and move on to the next step, which is your contact information, which is your email address, your phone number, and your work number, your address, city and state, and zip code. Once you complete that step, then they will go ahead and send you an email letting you know if you have been instantly approved or if they need any more documentation, which will be the last part of this application is uploading your documentation as well. Now, Citi also does have a lot of credit cards that I have went over before in the past. So they do have some really great banking products as well. Let's see. I will go ahead and pin these videos down below in case you are interested in any of these credit cards with the Citi Bank. Now, like I said, this personal loan up to $30,000 can definitely help you, especially if you are in some kind of need to do anything as far as debt or your home and a car repair, anything like that. So thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Leave a comment if you have questions or even if you have experience with Citibank loans or their credit cards. Let's keep each other in the conversation. Let's keep it up and going. Until next time, take care and good luck on your journey towards your financial freedom. And I will see you all in the next video.